Good morning. It's just gone 4:30 a.m. here. It's 16 degrees, so a huge contrast to the 50 degrees in the Philippines. And I'm out fishing today. So basically I bailed from the Philippines. I had to. It was 50 degrees, I couldn't take it. And have you seen any of the other videos? There was far too much going on for my head. I decided to bail. I will be going back soon. However, I just need some me time, some time to think, some time to get my thoughts, my head together, so as I can move forward with other projects. Because I do plan to build a 14-bed hotel in the Philippines, very close to my home. And so I have to consolidate my thoughts and see what's the best way forward. Anyway, I've got one up, one down. I've got rag on this one. And I'm going to pop another one out and I'm going to put some lug on it and see if we have any success. Apparently there's lots of bream around, so let's see. I'm sure there's the odd bass here and there, but yeah, you can see the moon still out. But let's see if we have any luck. I'm not really sure whether to put the second rod out or not. I've got 3 hours anyway before I have to pay for my parking. But yeah, stark contrast from the Philippines for sure. Was I glad to come to get out of the Philippines? I really was, yeah, and that's the first time in, God, I don't know, 20 years say, that I've been glad to leave the country. I've always got a tear in my eye and a lump in my throat when I leave family and friends behind. But this time I had to get out, it was just too much. So let's see if we'll catch anything here. I've got a couple of bites here, there you go. And that's probably just little bream. But we'll keep going with it. It's a size 1 hook I've got on there, 4 ounce weight. The weight is a grapple, but I've elasticated it so it won't move off the bottom. There's a bit of weed going around, but no more than usual, you know. So let's see how we get on. See you in a bit. Yeah, so we're getting a fair few knocks on this, but it's just little bream for sure. As I say, I'm using rag, lots of rag there. I think it's about 5.50, 6 quid. 5.50, 6 quid from Matt down at Prime Angling, sorry. Yeah, what else can I say? Beautiful sunset, sunrise, there we go again. So that's just little, we're not taking it, they're just playing with it. They've got really sharp teeth, the little bream. They're just nibbling away there. We'll wait until we get a big knock and then we'll bring it, we'll strike it. Yeah, so there's lots of bream around. It's probably 16 degrees here with a high of 24 today, so that's more my temperature. And it's been about 3 or 4 months since I've been out fishing, so I'm glad to be here. Yeah. So a fair bit of weed, but we've done worse than this, haven't we? We've fished worse than this, so let's get rid of this weed, bait it up and chuck it out again. Months. Well, I haven't lost the art of casting, so I can still cast the fairways out with a 4 ounce weight. It's been a good 3 or 4 months since I've been out, to be honest. But yeah, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'll wait till the tide goes out a bit and then I'll pop the drone up and I'll fly it down there. I'm just wary at this time in the morning for bird strikes, you know, because the seagulls are out and about and a bit territorial and they're nesting, and so yeah, they tend to go for the drone. But yeah, let's see what happens. off into the turn of the tide here, and since the tide turned there's been nothing. I lost a rig, a 4 ounce weight, and a trace just out there, so I'm going to be hanging around for another few hours, so hopefully I'll recover that in a bit. I've got an idea where it's at, so yeah, we'll give that a go. But yeah, it's been a fine morning, you know. It's been nice to get out and about in a decent temperature. What else can I say? Yeah, so that's me started on the fishing again. And hopefully this time we're more successful than we have been in the last, what, 6 months or so. Although, as I said already, I haven't been out for 3 or 4 months. But we'll keep on going and see where we end up, and hopefully go to new marks as time progresses. But I'm going to get myself an electric bike that will help me get around a lot easier and access more bits than I do with my car. So I'll back in a bit. Well, as you see, the tides fairly went out. I was up here just not 2 hours ago. I'm continuing to fish it anyway, and my lead weight is just to the right of that mark. So we'll give it another 20 minutes. That's my last cast for sure, and then I'll head home and get a cup of coffee, something to eat, and yeah, so let's see what happens. Let's see. Well, I've moved again from here onto the other side of the Groyle, and I know that the tide's going right out, but you can still catch, you know. This time I've got lugworm and rag on the same hook, so 1 up, 1 down, size 1 hooks, and the 4 ounce weight, of course. So we'll give it, I keep on saying we'll give it another 20 minutes. You know, every fisherman says that, oh, it's the last cast, it's the last cast. But for me, this is the last cast, and then I'll hit the road. But remarkably, I can see a cormorant out there, and there's one over there on the top of that mark there. But there's no boats out. Obviously it's low tide, but they can still gain entry to the marinas round here even at low tide. Anyway, we'll see in a bit. Well, unfortunately for me, the first time fishing for 3 or 4 months, and I blanked, but it was good to be out in normal temperatures. I'm going to wait to take it in now and head home, because I'm like 3.5 hours into the turn of the tide. I was hoping to get out there a bit and retrieve that 4 ounce weight, but maybe next time, who knows. But for sure I'll be back. Bit weedy, but I still enjoyed myself, I really did, yeah. What else can I tell you? Other than, yeah, please subscribe. Take it easy. I'll give you the thumbs up. Leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye, bye.